Hello and welcome to Undefined Geometry. In this video we shall be looking at producing a detailed drawing for the Colt 45 Army pistol that we assembled a while back. We shall be looking at producing some detailed views and a bill of materials. So CATIA is running, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Colt 45 assembly and create the drawing sheet. With the drawing created, we can now create the first views. There is a video that shows this in detail. The link is at the top. We can now create the other views required and add some overall dimensions. The next view will be a section view down the center of the left view. We can see that the sections have been filled with solid colour that will need to change. We can do this by clicking on the pattern and changing the properties. It is probably best to change the setting in Tools, Options, but we have the view generated, so let's go with it. The next thing we shall do is create the call-out balloons. We can do this automatically. To create the balloons, we need to select the view we want the balloons to be created in, and then we have to go back to the 3D window. In this example, I had to open the 3D assembly again, as Katia had crashed. Opening the 3D via links will make sure that the assembly you are working on is the assembly linked to the drawing. Once in the assembly, click on the Generate Numbers icon. In the window, we can choose number or letters, then click OK. We then return to the drawing sheet and select Insert from the menu line, then pick Generate Balloon Generation. OK, wrong view selected. Let's do that again on the section view. Better. We now need to move the balloons into a readable location and make the view presentable. Now we can create the bomb. Once again, to create the bomb we have to return to the 3D window. From the menu bar, select Analyze, Bill of Material. This will open the Bill of Material window. For this exercise we want the item number displayed, so we need to change the format of the bomb. We do this by clicking on the Define Format button and selecting Number from the list of hidden properties and moving it to the shown side. We also want the item number to be displayed first, so we can change the position. We now see that the item number is displayed. We can now return to the drawing sheet and place the bomb on the drawing. From the menu bar, select Insert, Generation, Bill of Materials, and select the location on the drawing sheet for the bomb. The bomb will be produced. Sometimes part of the bomb will be added to a new drawing sheet, but we can copy and paste it to the required sheet. We just have to move the tables about to make it look presentable, and there we have it. A quickly produced detail drawing with BOM linked to the 3D assembly. And there we have it, a detailed drawing of the classic Colt 45, produced in no time. If you are enjoying these videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.